So we're going to add our walnuts. I've roasted these walnuts at 160 degrees for about 10 minutes and I've allowed them to cool. So I'm now going to put those in with the dark chocolate. There's 100 grams of Rour dark chocolate. So I'm just going to put that on the food processor and blitz. You want to blitz it until they're quite fine little small bits and pieces. Be careful not to cut yourself. There's a couple of chunky dark chocolate, which is okay, but I'm just going to blitz it a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Add in the cocoa powder, that's a Dutch cocoa powder. And now we're going to mix this in the food processor for 2 minutes. We want it to become quite liquidy now. You may need to stop at some point and just move them around. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the little doobie whacker off the top there, put it on, and I'm going to slowly pour 180 grams of eggs is probably about 3.5 eggs, so I'm going to pour in roughly about 1 egg each time and let it mix and scrape it a bit. There we go. Now I'll mix it around. We're also going to add Marsala, which is a fortified wine with a bit of, which has been marinated, if you like, or matured a bit with egg yolk. And oh, if you could just smell that now, that's my favourite smell, and it's used in a lot of Italian sweets, so we'll add that in. About 3 tablespoons, although I feel I may have added 4. Just mix that round. Caprese Cakes, they've just cooked for 20 minutes at 160 degrees, and they're cooked because they've got a springy resistance when you press down on them, and they rise but they sink a little bit, which is just fine. There's no flour in these. Got a lovely display plate. This looks lovely. There we have it. Lovely mini Caprese cake.